So welcome back to another video. This video will be my favorites video. I feel like super tagal na akong hindi nakakagawa ng favorites video. So let's get started! So magsa-start tayo sa hindi muna makeup. Actually, nag-film na ako ng video na to last week. But then, nung nag-e-edit ako, parang hindi ko siya gusto. I look so pangit doon. I decided to film it again today. Sana maganda na siya. Fingers crossed. First item is this one. This is the OMG nail polish. I'm not really sure if the products that nasali dito sa video na to, I already mentioned before. But kasi sa sobrang tagal na hindi ako gumagawa ng favorite video, kakalimutan ko siya. Sorry po. So, ayun. Disclaimer lang. So, this is in the shade Exactly Red. I super love this one. Kung naghanap kayo ng red talaga na nail polish, ito talaga yun. Super ganda and it's very affordable lang. And, kasi yung iba kasing mga products, kinda hindi siya like red, parang cherry red. This one is like red, like blood red. Parang ganun. Sa akin na, one thing din nagustuhan ko dito, nakakaputi siya. So, I love this one. If you're looking for a really, really red one, I suggest this one. Super ganda niya. So, another nail polish is this one from OMG pa din. Yeah. This is the two-way nail art brush. So, pero itong shade na to is in the shade Salsa. Pero I really like this one kasi it comes with, paano ba? Like a pen. And it also comes with a really thin brush like this. So, ayan. This one pala is 35 pesos. Tapos, ito naman 32.50. Really, really affordable and a really good alternative sa mga medyo mahal na mga products. So, next is this one. This is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Luminous Fragrance Mist. Ayan. I did haul this one like, I don't know, like months ago. And, yan. Ito. I really, really, really like this one. Hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit kasi nga, it's mahal. Kahit favorite ko siya, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. Minsan lang, meron siyang glitter. Hindi ko alam if nakikita nyo. Meron siyang glitter and super bango niya. I really, really like it. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Mist. It's like this. This is, ilang ml ba to? 50 ml for 350 pesos ata. 380 pesos. I really, really like this mist. I use this every day. And hindi ako nagkikake. Oh my god, hindi talaga. It's weird because dati I used the Evian. Freak! Nag-cake siya ng bonggang-bongga. Then, I decided to buy this one. And it's amazing. Hindi ako nagkikake. Super love this one. If you're looking for a good facial mist na medyo hindi naman masyado mahal, go for this one. This is amazing. So, next product is makeup wipe remover. Makeup remover wipes. Ganun. This is the Pure Derm Argan Oil Makeup Remover. I really, really like this one. Meron akong mga ibang mga makeup removers, but I do break out. Sensitive yung skin, lalo na sa mga bagong products na hindi ko pa natatry. But, this one is different kasi first try ko dito, hindi talaga ako nag-breakout. Like, hindi talaga. And this is really affordable. Like, dati, I remember this one is 50 pesos. 50 lang for 30 wipes. Wet towels. Ewan ko. It's a lot, actually. 50 pesos dati. But now, binili ko na siya ng 99 pesos sa Watsons. It's a good one. I did stop buying this one kasi akala ko meron siyang paraben. Paraben-free, which is good. And nasabi din dito, it's ideal for all skin types. So, thumbs up for that. really it's a good one. If you're looking for an affordable wet wipes makeup remover, I really do highly suggest this one. Next product will be this sponge. So this is the AOA blending sponge. Teardrop. This is the teardrop. I also have this one. Wait, this. Pero mas gusto ko si teardrop. At first, I really hated this. As in, like, nung bago pa lang, super tigas. Ay, hindi na, like, tigas na, kasing katigas nung sansa na, like, bato. It's tough, ganon. Pag ginanon nyo, medyo matigas, it's really bouncy. Yan. Sa akin na experience, if you use it a lot, like, you dump it a lot of times talaga, nagiging malambot siya. I don't know, like, explanation, pero, super naging malambot na siya. Hindi kasing lambot ng beauty blender, but, naging malambot. Like, workable naman siyang gamitin. And this is the Brow Artist Genius Kit. I use this a lot, like, lagi talaga. I'm pretty much sure that this is the darkest shade sa counter. Ito yung I'm not sure if meron pa silang darkest shade nito, but this is the darkest shade sa counter. It's long lasting. Hindi siya nagda-dry masyado. That's why I like it. Kasi yung mga gel sa akin, yung Tame and Frame, the Milani, ano ba yun? Stay Put Brow, dry, like, dry talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko sa mga gel, kaya, but that one is a good one as well, pero, I switched to using this. Yung shade din, kasi bagay, perfect siya sa akin. Because I have, like, really, really dark hair ngayon. So, next product is this Garnier Light BB Roll-On. This product is super underrated, pero super ganda niya. My goodness. I'm not really sure if this is discontinued na, kasi wala na siya sa mga department store na binilhan ko neto, kasi dapat bibili ako ulit. Kasi I really like it. Kaso wala na eh. Super like nag-lighten talaga siya. It's highlighter face. Kung gusto niyo talaga ng highlighted look, this is for you. And it's not drying at all. It's a BB roll-on, kaya medyo may moisture siya, na nagbibigay siya ng moisture sa inyo. So, I really like this one. So, next product is, this is the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. Yan. This is the Siam. Ewan ko paano i-pronounce yan na. This is a Korean brand. And, I'm actually wearing it ngayon. Super, super love this concealer. This is, I believe I bought this for 280 pesos. Not really sure though. And I also have it, I do have it in two shades. The 1.5 at saka 2. Kasi akala ko medyo okay ako sa 1.5, but sad to say, it's too light for me. Super light talaga. Kahit nga itong 2, super light pa din siya sa akin. I love this concealer, my goodness. One thing din nagustuhan ko is this is the highest SPF concealer that I have. It has like 28 SPF, my goodness. Hindi ako sure if magmumukha siyang white cast on pictures kasi hindi ko naman na-try yun. But this is a really good concealer. Yung coverage niya is kind of thick, kaya nagka-cover talaga yung dapat na i-cover. Pero, I don't suggest covering your, pimples with this kasi it's too light. Kung super fair talaga kayo, like Koreanang skin, ganun. This is a concealer for you. I did mix a darker concealer shade para lang yung shade na para sa akin. But still, you can also use this. Kaso, too light lang talaga. And kind of thick yung consistency, but the coverage is plus. I love the coverage. Next is, this is the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Cream. I did stop using this one dati, and I started using it again. Because, naubusan na ako ng cream contour. So, nahanap ko to, and oh my goodness, I use this a lot, every day, like, every day talaga. Lalo na yung blush. Kasi, parang mas gusto ko yung cream blush ngayon, ha? Because it's kinda like, hindi siya powder. Like, magmumukha siyang luminous sa skin. I don't know. And it's much more long-lasting. It's long-lasting para sa akin. Lalo na kasi dito sa Philippines, like, it's so hot and humid din. So, this is a good product to use. Hindi ko alam din if this is discontinued kasi I have this like for a while na, but still good. I love this one. Second to the last item is this is the e.l.f. Matte for Matte 1. And ito yung packaging niya. And this is the inside part. Yeah. I really like this palette. I'm not really sure if meron akong video that I use this one. But if wala, I'm gonna do one soon. So, I also have the Matte for Matte 2. Kaso hindi ko pa siya natatry ng lagi. I did not like have the time to play with it a lot. This one is more on the neutral shade. Kaya pwede siya for everyday use. As you can see naman, very neutral yung shades niya. And the good thing about this one is it's not chalky. This is all matte. So, matte eyeshadow tends to be super chalky. Like, chalky talaga. I have like a lot of drugstore local products na sobrang chalky talaga na hindi mo siya ma-blend masyado, but this one is a really good one. It kinda doesn't last long. Hindi siya nagla-last long, nag-fade lang talaga siya. But good primer, I think this will be good. Maglagay lang talaga kayo ng magandang primer below this product. So, last but not the least is this one from Milani. And this is the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream. And as you know, I have it in 2 shades. This is in number 12, Love, and 15, Gorgeous. I'm actually wearing Gorgeous ngayon. And, my goodness, I love this one. Yung shade, super nagustuhan ko yung shade, yung amoy, the packaging, everything is amazing. Tapos, medyo ano siya, like, it's kinda strong yung amoy, pero bearable siya, and hindi mo siya maamoy all throughout the day. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!